Finding a great roofer used to mean asking a neighbor. That's changing fast. What if a lead from an AI assistant was 2 to 23 times more likely to become a customer than one from a search? That's because AI doesn't give you a list. It gives you an answer. Being in the top 2 is a direct referral. People are no longer just searching. They are asking specific questions, like, who's the best roofer for storm damage? In the next few minutes, we'll decode how AI decides who to recommend and how your business can become its top choice. So, how does an AI build enough confidence to recommend one roofer over another? It's not magic. It's a verification process. It looks for 5 core trust signals: consistent identity, strong reputation, clear services, validation, and activity. Where does it find this information? 58% comes from your website, 27% from mentions on other sites, and 15% from directories. But the undisputed king of all data sources is your Google Business Profile. It is the foundational document for your business. One of the fastest ways to fail this trust test is inconsistent data. Different phone numbers or addresses create ambiguity. But what happens if your signals are weak? It's not that you just rank lower. The reality is much harsher. AI systems quietly filter out businesses they can't confidently verify. You're not on page 10. You're simply invisible. To build confidence, AI goes deeper than star ratings. It reads the text of your reviews for keywords like leak repair or professional. Significantly, AI trusts what others say about you more than what you say about yourself, pulling heavily from third-party sources. A mention in a local news story or a trade publication is seen as independent proof of your legitimacy and expertise. Recall those 5 trust signals. This is independent validation in action. Without it, your AI profile is incomplete. So we understand the theory. Let's see it in practice. We'll compare 2 roofing companies through the AI's eyes. Roofer A has a perfect Google Business Profile, consistent data across directories, and dozens of recent reviews. AI confidence, high. Roofer B has 2 different phone numbers online and an old last review. AI confidence, low. This business gets filtered out. How can Roofer A make it even easier for the AI? By using structured data on their website, adding clear labels AI can read. A homeowner asks for a roofer with emergency tarping services. The AI matches this against Roofer A's clear data. Roofer A gets the job. This system sounds efficient, but it's far from perfect. Relying on data alone creates some serious hidden risks. One major issue is bias. With incomplete information, AIs can create digital redlining, ignoring businesses in less documented areas. A new company might lack the online data of an older firm. The AI, seeking confidence, will default to the data-rich business. And let's be clear, AI can't inspect a roof. It doesn't understand local building codes or the craftsmanship of a good contractor. Despite these flaws, projections show by 2026, 42% of consumers will trust AI for local services as much as online reviews. So, let's connect all these dots. How do filtering, trust signals, and user behavior create this new business reality? Remember that extremely high conversion rate from the beginning. It's because the AI filters so aggressively. The user gets a pre-vetted finalist. This is why the recency and velocity of your reviews are so important. New reviews are a real-world activity signal to the AI. As people's trust grows, their questions become more complex. The AI, in turn, looks for businesses that provide the clearest data. The bottom line is this. The internet is shifting from a directory you search to a concierge you ask. Your goal is to be the answer. So what can a local roofing contractor do right now? It comes down to one core principle. Make your business unambiguously verifiable. 1. Perfect your Google Business Profile. 2. Unify your name, address, and phone number everywhere. 3. Get a steady flow of detailed reviews. This isn't a future trend. With AI overviews, this is happening now. Being invisible to AI is being invisible to high-intent customers. Don't let an algorithm's confusion dictate your success. Control your online identity, feed the AI the trust signals it needs, and become the answer.